Hey guys, welcome back. We're working on another project. This one's kind of been a work in progress for many years, and it's the strip of land on the south side of our property. And it is kind of overgrown, and there's a lot of work that we need to do to kind of get it all taken care of. Now, this is the area we're going to be focusing on today. Griffin's becoming a lot more independent and likes to get off in the other neighborhood. Normally he gets let off right in front of our house off the school bus, but now he wants to be in the other neighborhood and use our easement and run over here by himself. So because of that independence, we want to make it a little bit easier for him to get to the house instead of running to the other end of the property and then using the side or using the driveway. So we're going to cut a path through here. So as he's coming through the easement, he has a path directly into the yard, can beeline straight to the house, or make a decision on roughly where we want this path to start and where we want it to kind of break away into the property. And I think it's going to probably be right in this area. We got a dead evergreen, a lot of weeds, a lot of debris. We're going to clear all this up. We're going to create a path using our fieldstone to kind of outline the path, creating a small wall into the property, and some of our leftover mulch that we had from last year. We're going to mulch that area. It's a pretty easy, quick project that shouldn't take us very long to get going, so we're going to get started. Go get the rake. See the rake over there? I think we're done with shoveling for now. You gotta do the wall next. Not over here, don't till this. This has got to stay flat. Yeah. Now the path is done. Griffin has his avenue to get home after he gets off the bus. We're going to get a little bit more mulch, probably from the town yard, just so we can top dress this, kind of feather it out a little bit more into this area that doesn't grow any grass, but then also continue it back onto the easement to kind of blend it all in and kind of go a little bit further into it. We still have a lot more work building this wall. This is a good start to it all. It's about the size that I want it, so we'll continue it. We got a lot more trimming. We'll probably end up putting some plants out here, turn this into a little garden area, and we'll see. We still have a lot of work ahead of us. This is just the beginning. So if you have any questions or comments about materials or anything that I use, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.